In this video I talk about the best car dealer website design Figma template. The download link is given in the description. It's a high quality and well organized automotive and car dealer Figma template. Voyager is crafted with a thorough understanding of the design to connect car dealers and users. It is suitable for you to show professional car dealer websites that require highly advanced features, powerful functions, and useful services for users. Easy to use and customize, friendly with users and car dealers. Car dealers and users feel easy and convenient to sign up, log in to find cars, add a new car and car details, and manage their profiles, blogs, and applications from dashboard. Clean lines, soft colors, and fluid UI/UX will surely create a car dealer experience that your customers will love. Based on the 1290 pixels grid system, and it's also easy to customize. It has 50 screens in layered and organized elements. Superior has included 07 homepage, 10 car lists, 06 cars single, and more layouts. We designed a homepage for mobile for you. You can customize it very easy to fit your business needs. Template features: 50 unique artboards, 07 unique homepage layouts, 10 car list, 06 car single pages, dashboard pages, header, footer and slider variations, easy and 100% customizable Figma files, based on Bootstrap 1290 pixels grid system, fully vector and customizable, full width 1920 pixels, well organized layers, all layer has been named and grouped properly. Vector icons, creative and unique design, easy to find artboards, folders, layers, components, based on Figma's styles and components, minimal and modern design, amazing vector illustrations and icons. All images are just used for preview purpose only, and not included in the final purchase files.